What's up, guys? It is your girl Kinata M coming at you with another video. In today's video we are going to be talking about inventory. Yes, ladies, this is going to be the first episode on Boss Girl episode or Boss Babe episode. This is going to be episode 1, numero uno. So let's get into it. So I know y'all usually don't see my face on this channel. I'm gonna try to bring more of my face into this channel, not just nails. Today's video, I did a live today mainly on TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, we are at Royal Elegance Empire. I'm actually on TikTok right now on my girl Tay Nails page. I'm gonna go to our page really quick so you can see. This is us, Royal Elegance Empire, and this is, you know, the page. Let me turn down the brightness some so y'all can kind of see it. There you go. So as you can see, this is the page. Has a lot of different things up there. So yeah, follow us on TikTok. But yes, go ahead and follow me there, because if you're interested in any of these scoops, we will be doing all the scoops over there, as well as raffles or anything like that nature. We will be going live over there. So majority of the time we will be going live over there. I haven't decided if I'm going to continue to do the lives on both, because I don't have a way to do the multi-screen, because I don't have the access to the access key yet for TikTok. So once I do have that, I might do that. For the time being, I might just download the videos from TikTok and put it on YouTube, except for it's going to be in portrait, so it's just going to have like the little bars on the side. So if y'all interested in the live replays, or if it's like a set I do or anything that I talk about so y'all won't miss it, I will also put it on YouTube. I'm thinking about doing that as well. I don't know, because I usually pre-record videos, so I don't want to do too much back and forth. So yeah, but in today's video, since I did the focus on when I went live on TikTok, I did both, but my focus was on TikTok. I said I would make a video about inventory, and this will be the official Boss Babe episode number 1. Let me know if y'all like these episodes. But my channel, if you've seen the banner, will be about nail stuff, of course, all things nails, hauls, unboxing, you know, all things nails, nail art, as well as business. And I just put business for short, but there will be like behind the scenes of the business, as well as just business tips in general. I might throw in website providers and stuff like that. I was gonna do like building websites and stuff, but I feel like that can kind of get boring for you all. So I was just gonna offer a service for websites if y'all need that. So yeah, so let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I go over and how I do my inventory. So I'm going to take a swig of water because your girl is tired. I've been on live for about 2.5 hours before I did this live. I mean, before I did this video, and now I'm doing this video. So this is so good. So good. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video today or not, because usually I just put them in a pre-order. Not pre-order. See, I'm in my business mindset right now. And I'm so tired. It's like, it's 4:29 in the morning and I haven't slept yet. But I gotta get this stuff done. So, because I want to have a scoop thing on my birthday. But anyways, if I can. So anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it, because I feel like I'm rambling and I don't want to do that. So the first thing you would do when you want to go over inventory, you can have a sheet if you want to write it down, or you can just have your website up. I usually would have my website up or my tablet. When I was on live, I was using my tablet. There's an app that I use for my website, and I can like go in and change the stock if I want to, and then I can double check it on the website, is what I did. So yeah, that's that, y'all. Y'all get the point. Right, so what I would do is I could screen record and add this in here. Should I do that to show y'all? But I guess I really shouldn't do that because it depends on your website builder. It depends on who you're going to use. You may not use the people that I use. You may use a different. You know, we'll talk more about that in the episodes to come. But so what I would do pretty much is I would count the amount of product. So for instance, I'm not going to recount it because I already did, but I'm going to show y'all. So for instance, I would count all of the stuff that's in this box and say it was one particular lash style. I would count all of that stuff that's in the box, and then after I count the stuff that's in the box, I would then keep track of that in my mind. I would go to either my tablet or my website to put in the stock, and I would go ahead and put in that number of stock, and then I would move on to the next style, count it, verify, make sure I verified that, recount it again, put it in, and then continue to the next one. I also would check the photo on the product, make sure the photo and the title matches, and proceed to try to avoid mistakes. So that's how I would do my inventory, and I would pretty much do that for everything. So, and just go in and do that for everything for the inventory. Now that is pretty much the end of this video. It was just a short video explaining how I would do my inventory, and also announcing that if you're interested in anything on the site, we have contact lenses, we have mink eyelashes, we have false mink eyelashes, we have press-ons, we have we are going to have acrylic powder. Right now we're working on the cover, so we have a clear acrylic powder, we have white acrylic powder right now. We have monomer, we have practice hand. So yeah, that's currently, if I'm remembering correctly. Oh, we have contact lens cases. That is currently, but a lot of the contacts I have come with cases, but the ones, the HydroCore ones don't, that I have right now. So you will have to order a case if you get that one. So yeah, and we will be doing raffles and scoops on, if I keep looking to the side, I'm looking in the viewfinder. Sorry, it's a habit. But I always love to look at myself. I don't know. But yeah, if you want to be interested in anything like that, you have to join us on TikTok, because that's where we're going to be at, on TikTok. All of that stuff will be on TikTok. So alright guys, thanks again for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Your girl is tired, if you can tell. Your girl is definitely tired. But again, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all. We're on the road to getting, first we're going to have to get to 400, but we're on the road to 500. I want to hit 500, then I want to hit 1,000. And I know we're going to get there. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay bossy. Bye.